Okay. Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Justin, and I know I haven't uploaded in like 6 years, and it's due to like just a lot of stuff, going on. The last video that I uploaded, I said that I was quitting due to like IRL stuff and all that other stuff. Anyways, so I just got a new PC from this brand called Alarco, and it's a really nice PC. Came from Amazon, and yeah, since I got this new PC, I'm gonna start uploading to YouTube more. And also on top of that, I'm gonna also be doing a lot of other stuff, such as like, vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for, you know, all the subs I have now, and yeah, just make sure you guys stay active and subscribe, like the video, and we're gonna get right into this opening. Now I'm gonna do that. Have like two separate ones or whatever. Not sponsored by this brand, but it'd be nice. It'd be nice to be sponsored. This PC comes with 16GB RAM. Comes with 16GB RAM, a 1060 GTX. So the graphics card is actually really good. And it comes with it's virtual reality, which I probably won't be playing virtual reality, but it does come with virtual reality game capture in it, so you're able to play like VR games and shit like that. And comes with a 2 terabyte, I think, hard drive. Yeah, 2 terabyte hard drive. There's no SSD in it, so which kind of sucks, but it does come with 2 terabyte hard drive, so that's pretty cool as well. But yeah. 6 fans, got 6 fans in it, so that's pretty cool. So this should definitely not overheat. This PC is it's mainly built for like gaming, but it does do streaming, so that's good for my streams and stuff like that. Comes with a i5-3570 processor, so yeah, it runs pretty well. The frames that I get on it is about 100 to 110. If you guys want to see how much frames I actually get on it, I can also make that a YouTube video as well. Comes with RGB lighting as well. Whenever we get it plugged in, I'm gonna also show you guys as well. What it looks like afterwards. So pretty nice PC, as you can see. Pretty nice, pretty big actually too. Geez. And yeah. So when I get back, it will be plugged in, and I'll show you guys, what the PC looks like when it's plugged in, and also on top of that, the aesthetics, what the RGB looks like. Everybody loves RGB, right? Like, so who doesn't? Back again. Alright, as you can see, there's the lighting. The RGB lights are really cool. As you can see, it's got purple. This is on auto mode right now, but on the remote, I could change it within different colors and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool, actually. It's a pretty cool PC. What's it called? I'll leave a description. In the description, I'll leave like what's the specs on the PC and stuff like that, so you can actually, see what's actually inside the PC. So it's a pretty cool PC, and yeah, I'm able to game on it, able to stream on it. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So just know that I will be putting out YouTube content, so I'm gonna need you guys to be active. Okay, it's been 6 years since I uploaded my last video, and I'm not gonna do that no more. Alright, I'm gonna upload like at least twice a week. The day it could be Call of Duty. I play Call of Duty. I stream as well. My stream and my Twitch will be in the description down below. I stream with a camera. And as you guys know, some of you guys might not know, but the way I play Xbox is different. I do have a disability. It's called arthrogryposis. Therefore, I have to play Xbox with my arms crossed. I play Xbox cross-handed, and I press the triggers with my legs. So yeah, it's different, and it's no one really, I don't know anybody that plays it like that. So it's unique in my own way, I guess you could say. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing YouTube videos. I'm gonna be uploading Call of Duty. I play Rainbow Six and Overwatch. I'll also play Overwatch as well, but it'll be mainly like Call of Duty content I'm gonna be uploading. But yeah, just stay active, and I really, I love the PC. Nice PC. Uh, by the way, the PC is by this brand called Alarco. Um, I have them in the description below, so it is by Alarco, and yeah, thanks. Appreciate all the love and support. Um, and yeah, if you guys want to stop by my stream, I will be streaming daily. So yeah, stop on my stream. It is twitch.tv/perked. Same thing on my Instagram. All social medias are the same, except for Twitter. Twitter's like perktTV, but yeah, everything else is the same. So I have all my socials down in the description as well, down below. But yeah, man, appreciate it. And yeah, so just be prepared to see some videos uploaded,